after he became the Esokatai. Me know ya but at the same time, one of the say no first timer has won the elections.
Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. No first timer in Ghana's history, political history, ever wins a presidential election. Now, disclaimer. Me amiti he, me NPP ni pa, me NPP ni. And my loyalty is to the New Patriotic Party, the elephant, not to any human being. My loyalty is to the party. So if tomorrow NPP as a party decides to elect Konimo as flag bearer, I will support Konimo. If NPP decides to elect Yakoniama as flag bearer, I will support her. If NPP decided to elect a mosquito or a butterfly to lead a party for an election, it does have my full support. So, with that disclaimer, let me now go into the issue proper. As Ghanaians, no, and I say as Kokudites, I say NPP for no. I say I realize this 2028 election, a better easier election for NPP than NDC. If there is anything that NPP people have seen happen to them in 2024, they have to understand, say, those same things are going to happen to NDC in 2028. Number one, voter apathy is going to happen to them. They will not be able to satisfy the entirety of their grassroots in these next 4 years. There are people who are going to feel, say, they have suffered for the NDC, they have campaigned for NDC, but they did not get anything for the 4 years. So those people are going to sit in the house and decide not to go and vote in 2028. That happened to NPP in 2024. Again, NDC in 2028 is going to present a new candidate. New candidate, Abba Fresh. Now, in Ghana's history, Abba Fresh for no winning election. What did Bawumia do? Bawumia campaigned. Every single constituency ever Ghana, Bawumia went there. Every single constituency. There are constituencies being cried now. Bawumia went there twice. Baby, how come you not so Yireko? Wherever he went, the wife also went. And a party executives. But he got about 42% in the election. That is it. That's reality. It is difficult. Say first time a beer, not say first time a beer, but win the election. Don't use the example of Mahama because John Mahama, when he was going in 2012, already the amount of money they spent was over 34 billion. That's the amount of money they spent. And even 2012, contested and narrowly won. It took a 5-4 decision of the Supreme Court.
The NDC will be
Ghana,
the first timer.
No first timer, irrespective of your party.
Oh, say Mahama first timer.
Mahama first timer, no. Sitting president. Na sitting president going to elections.
Yes.
Nyana Beba say Omu used 3.4 billion Ghana city 2012.
Yes,
and they winning election, no.
Campaign winning election.
When he stood, said Mahama Minye, he lost. 2020 he lost. What? Omanhene mama metimaka say elections no wakọ 3 times.
Yes.
Asa no obeye Omanhene sisia o. Akufo-Addo call prensa.
Yes.
President late Mills call say prensa. Kufuor nyamienu because now Rollins in Kobio. So Rollins engineer 2000 with Kufuor Kobesa beating.
Kobesa beating is true.
It's no first timer has won the elections. One, I don't speak for anybody, but Bawumia is favored on the NPP ticket only because one, he's the most popular in the party now. Yatono, Omaton ewi, meboa. It would to be free the equation anymore.
Yes.
But the Christian Muslim,
That was how close we came to a re-election. And even with that, he was a sitting president, an acting president. You understand? So there are two different, entirely different ball games. But even with that, no, Shedewe Obreye, when he decided to contest us, John Mahama 2016, no lose your Ori Epoto, 2020 Ori Epoto. It was on the third attempt that he won. And right now, no, the most suicidal decision that ABIA NPP will make, no, will be to present a new candidate. So MPP in Suko presenting new candidate, you give a fair 50-50 chance to NDC. Because NDC is bringing a new candidate. If MPP also brings a new candidate, then Ghanaians will be confused because both of them, they have not really seen them before. So the vote will still be split 50-50. But say MPP, the Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia, Bema and Nimonyam for. If MPP brings Dr. Bawumia again, about 50% of the work is done. Because Ghanaians know Dr. Bawumia. Party grassroots knows Dr. Bawumia. Dr. Bawumia stands a bigger advantage than whoever NDC would even think of bringing. A bigger advantage, better advantage. And this is not about emotions. And you say, oh, me wa Ken camp, me wa Boache camp, me wa Wake camp, me wa say say camp, do a bit. We are talking about data and facts. The person who stands a higher chance in this time to win an election, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. He is going to be the most experienced person going into 2028 election because he will have been a vice president that has been in power for 8 years. There is no other vice president living that will have such a foothold in 2028. Nobody. Jenana, if NDC brings her, will have only 4 years experience as a vice president. I said Kitia, never been a vice president before. Julius Debra, never been a vice president before. Bawumia, 8 years vice presidency with a solid record to prove. So who do you think Ghanaians will vote for? They will obviously vote for 8 years of solid record. They said the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know. So the Bawumia Ghanaians know is better than whoever that they don't know. So it is just a prayer, say MPP indeed wants to come back to power in 2028. Look no further. The record shows no first timer ever has won an election. Use someone who is experienced, win easily. Dr. Mahamudu Bawumia will be that person. This has been the Political Round with me, The Voice, right here on Ghana and Sam TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.